So my name is Scott Goldring. I live outside of Atlanta, Georgia. I've been working in public accounting for 20 years, and I joined Dark Horse 4 years ago as a principal. So I help a small business owner. Financial planners like to say that for most Americans, the biggest investment they'll make in their lifetime is their house. But for small business owners, the biggest investment they'll make is their business. And most of them are unprepared when they buy the business or open a business to really understand how to run the business altogether. So I help with, on the two hands, tax and accounting. In terms of accounting management is, billing systems and collections, payment systems, bookkeeping, and then understanding the numbers. So that's the accounting management side of the business. And then on the tax guidance, it includes tax return preparation, but it also includes discussions on structure and tax investments and planning. And so those things come together to really help a small business owner get to a better place where he can be successful or she can be successful. When they first buy the business, they don't know what they're looking for, but really what they want is the guidance. So it's not just prepare my returns for me, it's help me be successful. And, kind of the number one or two ways I set myself apart a little bit in terms of being successful is A, my services are generally all-inclusive of fees. So I don't try to say, okay, that would be an extra $100, an extra $300. We try to make it all-inclusive. And the reason that also is helpful is no one likes to be nickel and dimed. But the other reason that's successful is that they have questions that they want to answer to make better decisions. And they need answers to those questions. And waiting a month or 3 months or even a week may not really help them make those better decisions. And that's why my team and I, we always reply within a day, if not a few hours, and help get some guidance to our clients. I'd have to say that the way I structure my work is I'm never going to overburden myself or my team. The amount of work we take on will be appropriate for the amount of time we have and the resources we have. And we work with our clients year after year for how we work through busy season. And for those that don't listen at all, they're probably not going to stay my clients for very long because they have their own agenda of how to get things done. And we need to be efficient, and we need to make sure that our clients understand what's going on, put them in the best position without undue stress on us. I am a firm believer that when you rush things, that's when errors occur. So we don't try to rush like the last week or two of tax season. Almost nothing gets finished if it's in the springtime because it can get extended. In the fall, we push really hard to get things before that deadline. Each year in January, I do send out a message to all my clients to use Loom to record our process. And each year, a few more clients do follow our process better. I don't expect that to improve by 50% in any given year, but it's really, if our clients work with us, then it's not going to be all that complex. We don't need 50% improvement to get to a place because I make sure we have enough resources where we're not overly burdened, even in the busiest of times. I love what I do. I love helping my clients get to a better place. The reason they buy the business or open a business is they want that to be their primary source of income, and they really believe in what they do, and they need financial help, both, again, for the accounting management side and the tax side, and I really enjoy helping them get to a place where they're more competent.